Hey everyone, welcome back to VinVout. I have designed and built my own custom ESP32 Breakout board and I'm excited to share the process with you. And what's even more exciting is that this project is sponsored by Seed Studio. More about them later. This isn't just a board, this is actually a customizable platform for your ESP32 projects. ESP32 is a fantastic microcontroller, but sometimes it's a bit awkward to work with on a breadboard. That's where my custom ESP32 Breakout board comes in. It's designed to make prototyping with the ESP32 a breeze. Here are some features of the board: extra ground pins, support for 12-volt input, multiple power outputs like 12-volt, 5-volt and 3.3-volt, a designated spot for MPU6050 and even touchpads for user interaction. Solder pads for header pins. The solder pads along the side of the header pins offer endless possibilities for customization. They are perfect for adding additional components or connectors. Now, being that said, we can dive into the process of making it. Let's get to the schematics. First, here we have the ESP32. It is connected to the male header pins along with the side solder pads. Here we have dedicated spot for connecting the MPU6050 easily. These pins XDA, XCL, ADC, etc. are not used usually, so I have left it like that so that I can actually connect other I2C devices like an OLED display. The extra pins like 5-volt, 3.3-volt and ground, these are connected using net port to make the schematic look more clean and readable. Next, we have the 12-volt conversion to 5-volt, where we have a DC power jack. You can also take 12-volt directly from it, and it is connected to LM7805 voltage regulator and some capacitors for decoupling purpose. Then I converted the schematics to PCB. If you want to see the designing process, you can go check out my live stream on YouTube. It's time to send the design files for fabrication. I uploaded the Gerber files on Seed Studio Fusion. It is a global one-stop online platform for PCB manufacturing, assembly and hardware customization. Whether you need prototyping, mass production, custom solutions for open source products, or transformation of your creative ideas into profitable products, Seed Studio Fusion can meet your requirements. The package has arrived and they also sent me one of their amazing products. I'll be making a video of it. Some stickers of their products, and here we have the PCBs in a vacuum sealed package. Excellent. Seed Studio offers excellent PCBs and you can rely on them. When the boards arrived, it was the time for assembly. A huge thanks to Seed Studio for sponsoring this project. To showcase the board's capabilities, I'm building a practical project. I'll walk you through the process of creating something exciting and fun in an upcoming video. They also sent me one of the amazing products they have, the Shavo ESP32 S3 Sense. So I'll be doing a detailed review of it. So stay tuned for more projects. Thanks for joining me on this DIY adventure. If you are into custom boards and electronics, then subscribe to this channel. And a huge thanks to our sponsor Seed Studio for making this project possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more DIY tutorials and projects. And until next time, happy making.